Fishing for beginners. Best baits to catch more fish every time. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Sam Lee, and today we are talking about one of the most common questions for beginner anglers. What bait should you use? Stick around, because I'm going to break down the easiest, most effective baits that will get you bites no matter your experience level. 1. Worms, the ultimate go-to. Alright, let's start with the classic. Worms. Seriously, if you're just getting into fishing, you need to know about these little guys. Almost all freshwater fish like bass, carp, catfish, and especially bluegill or crappie, can't resist a wriggling worm. Tips for using worms. Cut them into 1 2-inch pieces, and thread them onto your hook. Leave the hook tip exposed so fish can easily bite. If the worm is too slippery, a little flour or soil can help it stick. Worms are natural, fresh and super easy to use. Perfect for beginners. 2. Commercial prepared baits, fast and clean. Next up, commercial baits. These are store-bought, easy to handle, and great if you want something that's clean and doesn't spoil. The key here is bait texture too soft and it falls apart. Too hard and fish can't bite it properly. Pro tips. Mix water slowly until you get a firm but moldable ball. Soft bait works well for smaller fish. Firmer bait is better for bigger fish. Match the flavor to the season. Spring, mild or wormy scents. Summer, fruity or light flavors. Fall, rich nutty scents. Winter, strong fishy scents. 3. Corn, secret weapon for big fish. Now, let's talk corn. Yep, plain old corn kernels. Big freshwater fish like carp and catfish love it. It's sweet, durable, and stays on the hook for a long time. How to use it. Hook 1 to kernels, leaving the tip visible. For extra effectiveness, sprinkle some fermented corn in your fishing spot 1-2 hours before you start. This helps attract bigger fish. 4. Red worms or bloodworms, cold water heroes. Finally, if you are fishing in colder water below about 50°F, red worms or bloodworms can make a huge difference. They are bright, protein-packed, and fish notice them immediately. Quick tips. Bundle 3-5 worms and hook them carefully. Keep them moist until you are ready to fish. They don't last long out of water. Perfect for winter or early spring fishing trips. Quick beginner tips. Don't overcomplicate things. Start with 2 to 3 baits, like worms, corn, and a commercial bait. Observe the water. Some spots might need natural bait. Some work better with prepared bait. Adjust your bait texture for the type of fish you want. So there you have it, 4 beginner-friendly baits that actually work. My advice? Start simple, practice, and you will figure out what works best for your local waters. Now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite bait to use? And which one has caught you the most fish? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you want more fishing tips and tricks. Tight lines, everyone.